Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. Just a quick update. There's not a lot going on in the markets. I think the market is in a little bit of shock following the US CPI numbers, the massive moves that we saw across the board here, like the dollar index shooting up, like just on a small amount of variance. It was a big shift in the market. And I think it's got everyone a little bit rattled. So we're sort of sitting back waiting to see what happens. I think it might correct. It'll come down to the US numbers early next week, but that's the reason I'm seeing why nothing's really happening. Now, economic data-wise, there's some Chinese numbers coming out, some German inflation numbers. These are pretty much on the mark usually. Now, the key to it is probably sterling today. There's some key numbers coming out, GDP, Bank of England Green speaking there as well, industrial production. The actual manufacturing production numbers was a number I used to watch when I was trading in the UK myself. So that's pretty much it from here. There's not too much else coming out. Michigan consumer sentiment numbers there. You might want to have a look at that as well. But all things being equal, there's not a hell of a lot to get excited about. As I said, you're probably looking forward to the next week's round of data to see what happens here, whether the US dollar corrects or keeps going, right? That's the big question at the moment. So what we need is a nice juicy US number to give us some leeway, and we have some of that early next week. All right, guys, that's it from me. Not a lot to report. Hang on to your cash for now, and we'll see what happens. Actually, the last thing is before I finish, sorry, just making myself laugh there. There may be a little bit of a square up coming into the close of trade today. So you might see a little bit of retracement on a few of these pairs as we go through the course of the day. All right. Good luck, guys. All the best. Cheerio.